Professional evaluation by a certified arborist may determine that a tree is in the high-risk category for structural failure. Often the safest and most efficient method of removing a tree is with the use of a crane. Proper equipment setup and safety precautions are taken for the safe removal of the tree and for ensuring minimal impact to the existing landscape. Communication to all members of the team and a well-constructed plan detailing the proper strategy are essential for the safe removal of the tree. After careful inspection of his safety equipment, the climber ascends the tree with the aid of the crane, continually evaluating the tree for additional hazards. Large sections of the tree are strategically removed and carefully taken down with minimal impact on the existing landscape, as sections are safely hoisted out of the work area. The smaller sections of the tree are chipped on site, while the larger sections are loaded and removed from the site to be recycled into mulch at our yard location. All precautions are taken and special rigging is applied to address challenging site conditions for the final felling of the remaining trunk.
Many times, circumstances prohibit the use of a crane or aerial lift equipment in the removal of a tree. Challenging site conditions may demand the use of a manual climbing team. The removal begins with a well-constructed plan that outlines the proper climbing and removal strategy. Experience and knowledge of the specialized rigging equipment enables us to safely and efficiently remove any tree. Limbs are removed strategically and carefully lowered down to the ground crews. Communication between the crew is maintained at all times to ensure the controlled execution of each step in the removal process. After all limbs have been removed, the remaining trunk is rigged to be felled. All precautions are taken to address all challenging site conditions. Felled limbs are removed from the felling area to ensure safety. A notch is then cut to control the direction of the felling. The tree is now ready for the final back cut and to be felled.